Now we need to create our key wallet to store our keys. Click key wallet and then click create. Then choose the available resource group from the current list. Due to some reasons, our resource group in which we have deployed our model is not showing. So click new and paste the name of that resource group. This is a trick. In this way, sometimes when you multiple times delete your resource group or create new resources, sometimes this happen because the data stuck in the cache. So if you do it this way, it will also work. Normally, it won't happen, but if it happens, you can choose this trick, or you can also use F5 to hard refresh the whole repository, and it will work fine. Now proceed with that resource group. Our currently one, then name of wallet demo AI Key Vault. Then choose the location, then choose the pricing tier, then click next. Make sure you have to select the role-based access control system because it is mandatory, especially when we are dealing with the production environment and when we have to proceed with the cross-tenant system or in production. Role-based access control is pretty much important. You will see in a bit when I proceed with the role assignment why it is most important to click the role-based access control. That's why Microsoft recommended it. Click next. Also, we don't need to create any tags currently. Click next. Then it is running a validation and it will take a bit and then create a keyword. So now it gives us green signal to proceed. So we click to create is initializing our deployment. Deployment is in progress. Our key wallet is deployed successfully and you also got the notification your deployment is complete. Now we need to proceed towards our resources. Go to resources. Now we need to click access control. Here we need to add a role assignment. Why it is mandatory to add a role assignment? Because Azure splits control from data actions. Even as owner, you must assign yourself as a secret officer role. Otherwise, Azure will deny your permission to write your API's keys in the secret wallet. You need to click add role assignment. There are multiple roles available. We just need to search for secret officer role. We need to choose key wallet secret officer, this one, and then we need to click next. Make sure you have to select user group or service principal. This is the best solution when you are working with the cross tenant and you need to select member. Click select member and search for yourself. Currently it is showing my name, so I will select myself as a secret officer and then click select. And then we proceed with the next step. In the next step, we can review and assign role of wallet secret officer to ourselves. Click review and assign. So now the role assignment completed successfully and we got notification in our right hand side. Also you can check directly from the role assignment. It will also show there. This is the key wallet secret officer. So now we create a secret, click secret and then we click generate import. Now you need to choose your API key. Now we need to select the key of our model that we already deployed. We just need to copy that and then paste it. Now we need to create it. Click create and it will successfully create a secret key. Now our key is created successfully.